Sixth one, combine the word in column A with its collocative word in column B. Collocative word means the two words which are usually used together. Often they are used together. It may be noun and noun, noun and verb, verb and verb, verb and pronoun, whatever it may be. Okay, ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎರಡು ಶಬ್ದವನ್ನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೊಲೊಕೇಟಿವ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸನ್, ಅಪ್ಲಾಸ್, ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್, ಕ್ರೌಡ್. So which word is used together with the cancer here in the lesson? Okay, cancer hospital ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ he should get the best treatment in the best cancer hospital ಅಂತ. So the collocative word for cancer is hospital. Okay. Next, sitar, second one, sitar, notes, player, man, speech. Sitar player, he should become a sitar player anta use madidare alva. So sitar player is the correct collocative word. Okay.